Okay, so today we will see how we can pre-populate drop-down data in the label. So this is the test app which we have created. I will show you how we can create with the new app. Okay, so we will go to the new screen. Okay, this is the power app layout and we will go to the new screen. And next step is to here we can find the different type of layout. Okay, screen layout. You can see blank, split screen. If you want to split screen in two section, you can select this one. And if you want a sidebar as well, like means if you want to add some navigation or something, then you can select like this way. Then here we can find header, footer and middle container. Okay, so this is the one. Here you can see this is the blank layout, but you can see in the tablet and mobile view. Okay, for the all the layout you can see mobile and tablet view. Okay, then you can see all these are the templates are there, so you can select anyone from this. So from here we can select this one, header, footer and new screen. Okay, okay, so this we have selected. So yeah, so you can see here this is the header. Okay, if we select this screen container, you can see here header, main container, this is the main container, and this is the footer container. Okay, this is a footer one. So in the header we will add one label. Okay, we can click on this plus icon, then we have to add one label. So we can add some label like something, suppose we want to add some pre-population based on drop down selection in label. Okay, so this is the label, and you can see here the label size is too short. Okay, so we will change the label of this size. So in the properties panel we will go to the height property, then we will increase the height of this is to header container. Okay, so we will just comment this thing, then header container. What is the header container? Our name header container 2. Okay, 2 dot height. Okay, this is the formula we need to add. You can see here the height of the label should be same like the header container 2 label. Okay, so similarly we will increase the width of this container, then again go to the width and same we will apply same formula, header container 2 dot width. So see, you can see here the width of the header container is also changed to the header container. Okay, then we will increase some font size. From here we will increase to 30, then we will text alignment should be middle. Then next we will change this label color. Okay, if you want to change the label color, we have to go the property like a color, then we can select the background color. Fill means fill, you can see if you hover you can see the visual background color, that is a fill. Okay, so from here we will change this color to suppose this one. Okay, green color, and then next we will change the font color to white. So yeah, see, this is the change. Then okay, so in the header container this is done. Then in the main container we will go to the main container, again we will click on this plus icon. In the main container we will add one form. So here you can see the edit form, so we will select the edit form. Okay, once edit form is selected, you can see they are suggesting for adding the database. So these are the database we can add. This is the database. Okay, in the table if you go to the tables, this is the, okay, these are the type of if you are using SharePoint and other data source, you can see here import Excel data from the Excel sheet and all these types of data source you can see here. Okay, so from here we will select our table, that is the account table. Okay, selected account table. Yeah, so account table is added here. So yeah, once the table form is added, so we will go here. Yeah, see, once the form is added, you can see these are the default which is added by the form. Okay, if you want to remove some fields from here, so you can remove, you just click on these three dots and you can see here if you want to remove something you can remove from here. Okay, so if you want to remove this one credit, you can remove. See, that field is not there in the form. So if you want to add some fields, you can go to the add fields, then go to, if we will add one drop down field here. Okay, like a status and status reason. Okay, this one. Yeah, so you can see the status and status reason added here. So, and if you want this address, that is the address, it is looks like a means single line of means single line, one line of text. If you want to change this text to the multiple line, you can go to the, if you can select this one. Okay, here you can see if you want to change. Oh, no, so in the main phone number, okay, this you can see this is a text field. Okay, then if you want to the this text to the number, then you can go to the format. Under the format you can see the number, we can switch to the number. Okay, then next so if you want, similarly we have to change this to multi-line of text, so we will go to mode. Okay, this mode you can see text mode is equal to single line of text, and if you want to change to multi-line of text, you can change to multiple line. Okay, okay, so this way uh, mm, here we can see no item to display, because this form mode is edit, so that's why it is not visible. You can change this default mode to, that is a form mode. Default mode means form mode. So you can see here, if we go to the properties formula, you can see form mode is equals to edit. So from here you can change to new. You can see it is suggesting like edit, view and new, so we will switch to new. And okay, so from here, and from here also you can change, you can see edit, new and view. Okay, so this is the new. So if we run the app, see it is showing all the controls. Okay, so this way. And okay, what we will do here, so we will add one label here. Okay, so otherwise if you want to show this status in the if you want to show this status in the, suppose if you want to show this status to this account field, so we can do like this way. So what, how we can do that, so we will select this control. Okay, account name, control, data card value, and you can see this is the formula. Default value is, you can see the parent dot default, means whenever you open the form from the database, you can see the their whatever the default value is saved in the database, that should be visible in the here. Okay, so we will just comment this one. Okay, if you want to do some changes, you need to unlock this data control, so you can go to the advanced property and you can see unlock to change the property. Okay, so from here you can change. Okay, so then we will just comment this formula, and how we can pre-populate the status value to the account table. So we can do like this way. What is the data card value name for the combo box is the data card value 33. Okay, so we can do here, so data card value 33 dot selected dot value. Okay, so we will just run this app. Okay, so we will search like inactive, so you can see here the inactive is coming here. If we switch to active, then you can see active is here. Okay, so this way we can pre-populate this value. And again, if you want to change the account number text field to the number, okay, so you can see, you can go to the format under the properties panel, and under format you can switch to the number. Okay, so from here you can change like this way. So this way you can just pre-populate the drop down value or combo box value to the label on this format, and you can change the multi-line of text, or the, you want to my phone number to the text to the number, you can change like this way. Account number to text to the number, you can change like this way. So this way you can do that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video.